Hello my YouTube friends, today I am shopping for the holiday season at Michael's. This shelf is full of Halloween stuff. I really like these houses.
Denise, you have a call?
The spooky tree. For those who like decorate with those balls, they have these decorations. And everything is already 40% off. They have many signs related to Halloween, and some of them even have lights. Cats, the shiny ones. And many types of garlands. Let's now look at the selection of the fall artificial flowers. Orange and yellow colors and foliage. Very pretty small bouquets. These little pigs can be incorporated in the fall bouquets. They have a fall fragrance collection, and everything is 50% off on this shelf. Pumpkins, pretty cart, candle holders, and many other items for the holiday season. Another aisle full of fall artificial flowers and foliage. Pretty vases. All kinds of cute animals. So funny, so cute. Plates and trays and decorations for the table. I like these garlands that are made with material. They are warm and very welcoming. This display contains everything you need for the Halloween baking. This is just the end of September, but they already have some items for the Christmas on display. This is how early they start selling things related to Christmas. I always like to look at these houses that you can buy and decorate and color with your children. Very fun activity for the fall, for the Christmas time. Another display for the fall baking. Plates and table decoration. And items like this are for the cake decoration. I found so many things for grandchildren to do and for the house decoration for the fall holidays. And they can do things by painting or making some fun things with felt and other details. I am happy with my visit, and I will visit in a few weeks for my Christmas and New Year shopping.